back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes, and today I got my third order from the Shop Miss A. Mostly $1. Well, most everything's $1 except a couple things. And this is not sponsored. I bought this package. I bought all my other ones. I've bought everything from them. They have no idea who I am. So, I'm going to be putting a mask on and opening that up and showing you what I got. The mask I'm going to put on today is this blue lotus seed mask, mud mask, and exfoliant from Pure Lease. So, I'll put this on real quick and show you the stuff. I don't know where my bow headband things are. And I don't want my hair to get in the mask, so I'm just going to use this headband. Look at all these little baby hairs. Because apparently with me, when you get pregnant, your hair breaks off and shit. And mine still hasn't really grown back very well. I prefer the bow headband, but this is what I got. This mask is leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll leave it on for 15 minutes. Let's get into this package. Everything I've gotten from Shop Miss A as of now has been surprisingly really good quality. I'm very surprised because a lot of the stuff is $1. The only stuff that's not is like the multiple things in one package and like the magnetic pallets. They do not want you to break a damn thing. My sons will love to pop this big ass bubble wrap. They love this shit. So, oh, look at it. It always comes packaged so cute. Cute little. Alright. This is a lot of shit. I don't think I can just do it with one hand. So first, I got this little hand sanitizer thing for my purse. It's a fucking cupcake, and that's adorable. And it's in lemon. I love the smell of lemon. So, and it smells really good. Oh, and they have some really cute jewelry on the site. The first are these really cute little earrings. Oh, and then this necklace is 3 layers. And so I'll put it on and take a picture and insert it. It's really cute. Apparently I liked stars this time. There's this one which I thought was really cute. On to the makeup. I got some more of the honey lip scrub because it's amazing. It tastes, well, it tastes good, but you're not supposed to eat it, like I said before. And it smells just like honey. I love honey. And I haven't tried this yet, but I heard it was really good, so I wanted to. I got the setting powder in Soft Light. See how this works. Oh, and then I got this Wonder Cover concealer in white, so I'm gonna do some cut crease. Practice. I don't know. I'm not very good at them, but with this, I'm sure I'll be perfect. Perfect. I think I got 2. I didn't mean to. Maybe I'll put one in a giveaway. Yeah. Oh, and then I got this color lip stuff in Savage. I really like their liquid lip formula. And their stuff, yeah, for being pretty inexpensive, it doesn't smell like alcohol or oh, that's so pretty. It doesn't smell bad at all. That's so pretty. This one is in Extra. I think I have like 7 liquid lips of this color. Oh well. But they're all different. Ooh, I don't have one this color. Ooh. That's gorgeous. Ooh, then I got this gold liquid liner. You know, because everyone needs gold liquid liner. Oh, wow. Guys, that's great. See it? That's a nice liner. Oh, and then, so I tried one of these from Ulta, lip oil, and I fucking love it. And they just came out with these lip oils, and this one is in honey. I fucking love honey, obviously. So this is, I wanted to see how this one was. It comes in a cute little, oh wow. Oh man, that smells good. So this is the AOA Oh Honey lip oil in honey. Oh yeah. I got these baby nail clippers that don't have a bunch of stuff around the top. Clip my child's nails because they have talons. That was $1. See how that works. And I have really been into fake eyelashes lately. So I got some more. These look really nice. They were out of stock last time I ordered stuff, so they're really pretty. And then I got 2, this one is hearts, and this one's stars, and technically they are nail gems, but I figured I'd take some eyelash glue and use them as face gems. They come in all colors, the hearts and the stars, so these I thought would be fun to work with. $1 for each wheel. Come on. They're really pretty. Holy shit. So, I got this fan brush. You see how big that is? And it's, wow, this is hella nice. $1. This is super nice. It's nice and soft. It's huge. That highlight honey. I'm very excited about it. I didn't think it'd be this big. Holy shit. Woo. Ooh, and I got this gold mask. It's got fucking gold in it for elasticity and nutrition for your face. I mean, shit. It's gold. I'm very curious to see if the mask is gold or it's got like, I mean, there's gold on the package, so. I also forgot everything I ordered. I remember most of it, but. Oh, yeah. I just thought this was adorable. It's a cupcake bath bomb. Isn't that so cute? It's called F-Bomb in Sprinkles. Now, see how that works. It's just super cute. Like, super, super cute. Super cute, guys. Oh, yeah. And then I got this highlighter to try out. In, that's what. In the color Amore. Like pink. It's a little bit crumbly, but. Ooh. Shut up. Shut up. That's really pretty. I love highlighters. Oh, and then I got another magnetic palette because the first one I got was awesome. And this one is the large one. These are $7.50. These are not $1. Because that'd be too much. But they are so nice. Like, look at that. $7.50. Super nice. This one's like white marble. Because I'm classy. Very classy. I'm running out of room. Oh, this is a present for a friend, so I'm not showing you. I don't think she watches my videos, but just in case she does. Alright, now these are awesome. So, I bought one pack last time, and they are amazing. For $1, you can get this pack of face wipes. Like makeup remover cleaning wipes. And these are awesome. They're not too dry. I hate dry makeup wipes. I hate them. These have lots of liquid in them. The first one I got was a citrus smell. And it was not too strong. Like, it wasn't like lemon pine sol or anything. It smelled really good. And it smelled pretty good. So I got like 4 of them. They're $1 for a whole shitload of wipes that are really nice. So I got lavender, cucumber, rose water, and green tea. And they had unscented too, and then the citrus one. So these are awesome wipes. Let me take one out and clean off my arm for you. So we'll try the green tea. It says there's 15, but they lasted me, the first pack lasted me a while, almost a whole month. Oh, they smell so good. And it's not like too strong where it knocks you over with smell. Like perfumey, you know. They smell really good. So. No wipe ever gets off the liquid lipstick like that. But they're awesome. So that was all I got from Shop Miss A this time. So I'll link the whole thing below. There's the website below. It's just shopmissa.com. It's great. I love it. All their stuff has been great so far. So I'll link the other $2 or the other dollar store haul that I did from there. Because I love the shit. So thanks for watching. Oh, let me wipe my face off. Alright, I washed the mask off and it made my skin feel really smooth. Because it was exfoliant, so of course it did. But thanks for watching, and I hope you check out this site because it's really cool. I'm not sponsored or none of that shit. I'm just telling you to check it out because it's cool. So, thanks for watching.